Today we're going to talk about electrolytes and water balance. As the proud coach of this Little League team, I have a duty to help educate these girls on healthy exercise. So I'm happy to talk today about electrolytes and their effect on the body. Since it's hot outside today, it's extra important that everyone understands this, even the umpires and the fans in the stands. So first, let's talk about electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that have an electric charge and they conduct electricity when mixed with water. You can find them in your blood, urine, body tissues, and they're important because they balance the amount of water in your body and keep the pH level of your body at a normal level. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline, which is basic, something is. Your body works constantly and carefully to control pH levels of blood and other fluids. When you drink electrolytes, they help to regulate nerve and muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity and pressure, and help rebuild damaged tissue. These electrolytes are minerals including sodium, potassium, chloride, and bicarbonate, and the minerals themselves hold the keys to keeping your body well balanced. Well balanced equals healthy. When your body is low on electrolytes, it can cause problems in your body like muscle aches and pains, issues with blood clotting, and even issues with your heart, since your heart is a muscle. Electrolytes, especially sodium, help maintain fluid balance through osmosis. And osmosis is a process where water moves through the wall of a cell membrane from a dilute solution. So more water equals and fewer electrolytes, towards a more concentrated solution, which is less water and more electrolytes. This is why we frequently hear ads about athletes drinking Gatorade. It's important to know that you don't need Gatorade to get electrolytes, and Gatorade can contain a ton of sugar, which isn't good for you on a normal day, but especially on a day when you've just played a big softball game. You don't need Gatorade to get electrolytes. You can also have nuts, potatoes, coconut water, milk, or even pickle juice. Yes, I said pickle juice. It's actually really good for rehydration. So the bottom line is that while Gatorade does have electrolytes and electrolytes are beneficial to athletes like yourself, you don't necessarily need Gatorade to get the nutrients for you to stay healthy. I hope that helped explain it. Have a good game. Bye for now.